1,797 days still in prison. Umar Khalid, no trial, no bail. 1,797 days, that's how long student activist Umar Khalid has been behind bars without a trial. 5 birthdays have been passed in prison. And yet, the courts have not decided on his bail. The Supreme Court says, bail is the rule, jail is the exception. But here's the question. Why does not that rule seem to apply to him? On 13 September 2020, Umar Khalid was arrested under FIR 59/2020. The allegations? That he gave speeches during the protest against the Citizenship Amendment Act and took part in a so-called pre-planned conspiracy linked to the February 2020 Delhi riots, which claimed 53 lives. The charges are extensive, from rioting and murder under the IPC to terrorist acts under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. But here's another question. If 6 of his co-accused in the same case are out on bail, why is Khalid still in prison? So we have to ask, is this justice delayed or justice denied? Across India, people accused of violent crimes, even murders, are routinely granted bail while awaiting trial. Why then is a man accused of delivering speeches and leading protests considered a bigger threat than those with proven records of violence? Even former Supreme Court Judge Markandeya Kaju has questioned the judiciary's approach, asking, are you really acting as the guardian of the liberty of the people, which is a solemn duty? Human rights activist Kavita Srivastava calls his detention illegal, pointing out that people accused of heinous crimes are walking free while a protest leader has spent nearly 5 years in jail without trial. Last month, Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai reiterated, bail is the rule, jail is the exception. But until a verdict comes in Umar Khalid's case, one question will keep echoing. Does that principle truly apply to everyone or only to some? This is Srijoni Rabha and you're watching Northeast Now.